Good morning, students. Welcome to mathematics class. Today, we will start our new topic with chapter number 7, fractions. We are going to do the introduction part first. The objective of this chapter is we will learn about different types of fraction. We will learn how to add and subtract like and unlike fractions. Later, we will discuss about how to multiply and divide a fraction with other fraction. We will also learn how to divide a fraction by a whole number. So let us discuss what is fraction and different types of fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole. For example, a pizza, you have a slice of 8 or a whole pie. A fraction is also a part of a set, like a dozen cupcakes. You can see an example, 5 out of 8. 5 is your numerator and 8 is your denominator. As we can say, the number on the top of the bar is called numerator, which is 5 in the given example. The line separating the top and bottom number is called the fractional bar. In the same way, the number below the bar is called denominator. Hence, A upon B represent a fraction. We have different types of fractions like fraction in which we have same denominators, unlike fractions with having different denominators, equivalent fractions representing the same amount, proper fraction where numerator is less than denominator, improper fraction where denominator is less than numerator, mixed fraction where whole number combined with fraction. My dear students, in such way you have to make a chart of different types of fraction. Do the work in a neat handwriting. Let us discuss how to add and subtract simple fractions. When fractions have the same denominator, it is quite easy to add them together or subtract them. For example, 3 upon 5 plus 1 by 5. Taking 5 as LCM, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 upon 5. We can show in the diagram also, like I've taken a circle, shaded 3 parts, another circle, shaded 1 part. When we add all the parts, shaded 1, we get 4 by 5. Make sure you remember the number below the line is known as denominator, the number above the line is known as a numerator. Similar, adding the fraction with unlike denominators, you have to take an LCM, then add it. An example has been given here. How to multiply fraction by other fraction? Step 1, like example is there 3 by 4. We have to make it easy by other fraction, multiply 1 by 2. Numerator will get multiplied with numerator only. Denominator will get multiplied with denominator. Step 3, we will get an answer 3 by 8. We can simplify the step 3 if it is getting divided by the same number. Else you can leave the answer in the same way. Let us see some examples. 2 by 5 into 6 by 7, multiply numerators together, denominators together. If it is getting simplified further, divide it. In the same way, in next example, 1 by 4 into 2 by 3, we get 2 by 12, which reduces to 1 by 6. Let us discuss how to divide the fraction. For example, 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. Step 1, change the division sign into multiplication. Flip the other fraction after the division. 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3. Then multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, simplify if it is getting, you will get your answer. Let us see a few examples of division. 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 4. Change the division sign into multiplication. Flip the number or reciprocal the number. Multiply the numerators and denominators, then simplify it. My dear students, here is an assignment of chapter 7. Do in your notebook in a neat handwriting. We will discuss the chapter further in the next classes. Thank you very much.